Hey folks, welcome to Mechanic Shop Femme. I'm Kaya, and today I'm going to show you how to, in under 2 minutes, replace your air filter. This is a clean one for my 2019 Subaru Impreza, which has a very simple air filter setup. It's right here, the air filter box. Just going to pop these two clasps open. I'm going to pull and adjust to remove the dirty air filter. There's the dirty filter for you. You see it's all dirty. It has a bunch of dust. I'm gonna move that out of the way. And we're gonna simply insert the new clean filter. Adjust the filter box so it closes and seals completely. And then pop the clips over and you're done. If this is your car, you may have 2 clips or you may have 2 screws, depending on the car. Most cars, this is a very simple process. And just like that, you've saved yourself at least $30 in the shop by changing your own filter.